Hey there, are you looking for the perfect cooking pot? Well, we've got you covered. Welcome to the Gourmet Code. In this video, we'll be sharing our top 5 tips to help you find the best cooking pot for your kitchen. Tip 1. Material. When it comes to material, the type of cooking pot you choose can have a significant impact on the quality of your cooking. Stainless steel is a popular choice because it is durable and versatile, and it can be used on different stovetops, including induction. Aluminum is also a good choice because it heats up quickly and evenly. Copper is an excellent heat conductor and provides even heating, which is great for delicate dishes. Cast iron is known for its durability and versatility, and it's great for searing and frying. Each material has its pros and cons, so choose one that suits your cooking needs. Tip 2. Size. Choosing the right size pot is crucial to ensure that your food cooks evenly. A pot that is too small can lead to overcrowding, which can cause the food to cook unevenly. A pot that is too big can cause the food to cook unevenly, and it can also waste energy. So, choose a pot that matches the amount of food you typically cook. If you're unsure about the size, go for a pot that's slightly larger than what you need. Tip 3. Lid. The lid is an essential feature of any cooking pot. A tight-fitting lid helps to lock in moisture and heat, which can improve the quality of your food. A glass lid allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. Look for a lid that fits snugly on the pot and has a sturdy handle that's easy to grip. Tip 4. Handles. Handles are another crucial feature to consider when buying a cooking pot. Choose handles that are sturdy and heat-resistant. Look for handles that are securely attached to the pot and have a comfortable grip. Handles that stay cool to the touch are also a great feature to look for, as they make it easier to move the pot around without burning your hands. Tip 5. Brand and price. When it comes to choosing a cooking pot, brand and price are also important considerations. A well-known brand can give you confidence in the quality of the pot, but it can also come with a higher price tag. You don't want to overspend on a pot that has unnecessary features, but you also don't want to skimp on a pot that is poorly made. Do your research and read reviews to find the best value for your budget. Popular brands like All-Clad, Calphalon, and Le Creuset offer quality products, but they can be pricey. Consider reading reviews and researching the brand's reputation before making a purchase. There you have it, our top 5 tips for finding the best cooking pot for your kitchen. By considering the material, size, lid, handles, brand, and price, you'll be sure to find a pot that meets your needs. Thanks for watching. If you have made it this far, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more recipes and cooking tips.